Okay, so after 12 years, I finally returned to one of the sites where I filmed my most original elevator video.
This is the elevator.
It's at the Holiday Inn
Express in Erie, Pennsylvania.
It's this one. So the last time I filmed this was back in early 2008. It was one of my most original videos. Well, here we are again. We finally made a return. Go to 5.
Well, look at
and now the doors, listen to this. It still does that.
That booming sound. Look at the Thyssenkrupp logo there. It's like fading off.
Okay, here we are at 5. Watch this.
Look how scratched the doors are.
This thing has gone downhill since the... Dang, wow. Look at this. It wasn't in this condition when I first filmed here. Alright, the doors have gone downhill. It's a basic hotel cab. The carpeting got taken out and replaced. Judging by this, it looks like it used to be something vintage. Might have been modernized, I don't know. This thing says it was installed in 2001. But I don't know. Here we are at the bottom. Alright.
Okay. I'm gonna do a solo take though. That's what we do. Since you've been just doing the voiceover for that 12 years or something.
So we're gonna get the other one now.
Oh.
And try this second elevator.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
See what this one's like. So there's the alarm bell.
This is the elevator I did. Holiday Inn Express in Splash Lagoon in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Alright. Here it's coming.
Wonder what fixture is. Is that innovation or something?
It's Thyssenkrupp.
Oh, Thyssenkrupp, that's what it is.
Thyssenkrupp is like traditional.
Oh.
Alright. Maybe they turned the fans off in these elevators since the last time.
Look at this here.
Oops, I almost put the phone down.
Look at that here. Wow.
This one's in a little bit better shape.
Oh my gosh, really?
What in the world?
Those doors look so bad as the other one. Wow. Really?
Yes.
What have they done to this? Seriously.
Still bumps. It's a fine quality of Thyssenkrupp. Let me see something. Oh, there's an 88 phone. Thyssenkrupp elevator phone.
Thyssenkrupp. Look at the numbers here. And look at the 2001.
Wow, it almost got stuck.
Yeah. Registers here. Registers here. There's the phone. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Why is this part chipped off? My goodness.
The whole elevator's screwed up.
Yeah, it looks
It's like
like
the same cab as before.
What? The 2001 Thyssenkrupp is like, I can't believe how is it messed up like this for years?
Look at that, thing's all faded.
My God. My God.
Let's see if it does it again. Alright. Push it close. And that's it.
Cool.
Okay, so we're gonna do this again
This is
because
the
they just
elevator.
redid this thing.
This is the elevator at the Holiday Inn Express.
Yeah, we already know because we just did this yesterday, but we're gonna show you what happened. Wow.
It's a long wait. The elevator.
It's already been a minute, it hasn't come yet.
Yeah, it has been a minute.
Here it comes.
Watch
Alright,
this.
check this out. Like,
Watch this. Whoa.
this was not like this yesterday.
Yeah. It wasn't like that before. But.
So I guess they wanted to cover up the screwed up, scratched doors.
Wow, this looks really nice, though. Flood Rider, I just rode that one recently. It's not bad. There's bone there on the little ledge on the door. Boy, I love the cover up. It's great.
Oh, it bounced.
Check it out. Wow.
Okay.